Guys, I'm going to use 2 chickens. Guys, I'm gonna cut excess part. We don't need this. Now we're gonna slice. Or guys, pork. So our marination go inside. Little bit of oil, both side. Salt, red chili powder, both side. Put on the side. And guys, now we're gonna make our marination. For the marination, we need yogurt, 3 to 4 spoons of yogurt, little bit more salt, 1/4 spoon of turmeric, red chili powder, 1/4 spoon, 1/2 spoon of fenugreek, 1 to 2 spoons of cilantro, 1 egg, coriander powder, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, spoon of ginger, spoon of black pepper, spoon of besan, ground flour, 1/2 lemon, guys, pinch of food color, but it's optional. If you don't want, don't add it. This is only for the color. Mix together. Guys, now we're gonna marinate chicken. Marinate real good. Like it. Put on the side for at least 30 minutes. Guys, oil is ready. Time to fry now. Time to fry. Time to flip. Guys, we're gonna cook at least 8 to 10 minutes. Time to flip again. Guys, make sure flip every 1.5 to 2 minutes. It's ready. Time to take it out. Damn, that looks really crispy. Garam masala on the top. Enjoy, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my recipe, please subscribe and like my channel, Mohinder's Kitchen. Enjoy.